Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cynthia, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, I do a bit of vlogging, and I do basically anything that I find interesting. So recently I've been talking more about people that would like to work in the UK as a health care assistant, because this is a new thing that just started in the UK. So before now it's just nurses, doctors, radiographers, and a few bit of people that were given work visas to come and work in the UK. But recently, starting from February, the UK government have started giving work visa and allowing healthcare assistants to work from overseas to the UK and then relocate as well. So today I'm going to show you some of the jobs that are open, and the vacancy is open to anyone who would like to work in the UK from overseas, from anywhere you are. And I'll be showing you those jobs on this video, and I'll be telling you the requirements for the jobs, what you have to do for the jobs as well. And I have to tell you guys that if you want to apply for these vacancies, you have to be as fast as possible, and you have to make your CV stand out so you get selected and not just applying and then wasting your time. I've had few videos that I've done that I've talked about how to make your CV very formal and then very convincing for these jobs. So if you haven't had a look on those videos, just check it out, and then you will learn one or two from it and then adjust your CV appropriately. And also in the past I've been posting lots of videos about the vacancies. I'm even doing like short videos of 14 seconds, and I'm always posting that almost every day. So I post all the vacancies that I see and I share it to all of you. Okay, and some of you has been on my emails to tell me that looking for jobs and all of that. What I will tell you is, what I will also encourage anyone that is trying to look for this job is, you have to apply as much as possible. I mean, you don't have to just apply for one and then wait forever. Just apply as much as possible. Try your luck. I mean, do the whole courses that you're meant to do and just support your CV. There is no particular course for you to do for this job. You just have to do little courses online, and then some of them are you have to pay for them anyway, but then just do a little something to back up your CV and then give you chances of getting this job. That's what I can say. And then you have to keep on applying. That's why I keep on sharing these videos about the job vacancies that are coming out on a daily basis. So you have to keep on applying as much as possible, and then one day you'll be called for interview. I've seen so many people gotten an interview even from my channel. So you have to keep applying. Don't think that this opportunity is not going to favor you. You have to try. Okay, so your case is not going to be the other person's case anyway. So just try your luck, keep applying, and one day you will get the job. Even when you get the unfortunate messages, just keep on going. You never know when your chance is gonna come. So keep on going, and then one day it will come. So I will jump right into the video and show you guys all the opportunities, amazing opportunities that are ongoing now, and then you can apply now as fast as possible. So the first job today is this one. You can see here it says care assistant tier 2 visa sponsorship. It is in Buckinghamshire, so this is the south of England. And this job gives tier 2 sponsorship to live and work in the UK for up to 5 years. So this is the amazing thing about this offer, because this is the same thing that has been given to nurses, to doctors, and all of that. So we are giving visas to stay for 5 years, and then we can apply for our permanent one. So this is the same visa that is being offered to this job. As a healthcare assistant, you will get this visa to stay for 5 years. And you have every other thing that the doctors, the nurses are assessing and all of that. Anyway, so if you look at the role description of this job, you can see that they said we are looking for care assistants to care for our clients with compassion and diligence. And you have the responsibilities written down here, all the things that you have to do: personal care support, medication support, meal preparation, home support tasks, dementia and Alzheimer's support. So this is the good thing about having a job that will give you the job description and the roles. So you get to know what you're meant to do, and then you get to prepare for it and for the interview as well. So they said if you have a driving license and access to a car is essential, because you have to travel for this job. But then if you don't have, that's okay. And then down here, this is the amazing part. Down here you can see tier 2 visa sponsorship available for UK based and overseas candidates. So look at that. That is what we want to say. So this job comes with full-time care assistant team, and you'll be working 4 days in 1 week and then 3 days in the other 2 weeks. So it's a full-time job. You'll be required to do an 11-hour shift, so between 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and then you have a 5.6 weeks holiday per year. Your sick pay, so you'll be paid when you're sick. All right, and then you have 10.10 hourly pay, and this will be paid monthly as a salary. And then if you travel, then your travel expenses will be paid for as 45p per mile. So and benefits of working: you have your guaranteed hours, predictable shift pattern, so you can work for like 3 days and then you have 4 days off for yourself, your family life, your personal life. And then you have opportunities for paid qualifications, and this work comes with care certificate training provided for free. So this is an amazing one, and you get to progress in your career as well. So this is the first job, and application is ongoing now. So if you want to apply, you can click here and then apply for this job. And I'll just go ahead and show you guys the second job now. So the second job is another one in East Sussex, England. Comes with tier 2 sponsorship as well. This job was listed 26 days ago, and also you can work for up to 5 years, and it's basically the same job description as the first one. So you're required to do some care for patients, basically helping them, not really something too clinical. It's just about helping the patients, providing care, supporting them with their meal preparation and all of that. And then you have some trainings, and you're meant to do on the job as well. And look at here, you can see that there is no experience necessary for this job. So you don't need any experience for this job, as they said here on the job description. But then if you have any level 2 diploma in health and social care is beneficial. Any training that you've done, if you have your care certificate standards, is beneficial as well. And then this job is open for people who are in the UK and then who are overseas as well. So you can see from here, you can apply if you're overseas. Then down here it says sponsors of overseas candidates are obligated to provide 39 hours of work per week. So you're required to work for 39 hours, unlike the other one. And then you are going to be paid 10.10 per hour, £10 per hour. So in a year, you have to your salary is going to be around £20,480 per hour. And then you're entitled to some benefits, including sick pay, maternity pay, and holiday pay. So this is another good job, and application is ongoing. So if you're interested, please apply. And even if you don't have any experience, as they said down here, you can also apply for this job. So the next job is this one again, from Berkshire, England. Berkshire is in the south as well. So this job gives tier 2 sponsorship. Okay, and let's go to this full description and see what is there. So we are looking for care assistants to take care of our clients with compassion and diligence. It's still the same thing that they specified on the first job. So you're gonna look after people in their own homes. So you're gonna support people in their own homes and facilities in the hospital, in the community. So this is not a hospital job, it's just you basically helping people in their homes and in the community. And down here you can also see the what you're gonna do, and the skills and the experience. Previous care or healthcare experience is an added advantage, but it is not a necessity. So look at here, that's where it says previous care or healthcare experience is an advantage for our care jobs, but not a necessity, right? So people from hospitals, community support, or care home jobs are good fit, but equally childcare or retail background often prove beneficial. Okay, so what we are looking for are people skills, even if they're gained from helping a relative. So this is why I keep telling people, let me highlight this part. Okay, so they said what we are looking for are people skills, so even if they've gained from helping a relative. So I said it in one of my videos that you don't have to get an employment or maybe work in an acute hospital before you call that an experience. So even the experience you have from looking after a relative, helping people, is considered. Okay, then down here you can as well say tier 2 sponsorship is available for candidates in the UK and those overseas as well, and the pay, the hours, and all of that are also written down here. So the next job is this one here, and down here he said it's in Waltham Forest, England. So it's in England. I'm not sure part of England where it is, but this is in England. And they offer tier 2 sponsorship to live and work in the UK. Not just working, but to live as well in the UK. Let's go to the full description of the job. So it says we are looking for care assistant candidates from overseas. So this is specifically written for overseas, to fulfill health and social care in Chingford, Waltham Forest, England. Okay, so the UK has now relaxed its visa requirements to allow care workers to be sponsored in addition to healthcare assistants. So you guys can see it from here. So anyone that has care work experience can apply for this job. Our clients are looking for foreign candidates. So this is specifically, look, we are looking for foreign candidates amidst a national shortage of care workers in the UK, right? So this is not me saying it, this is from the website, this is from the job. They are looking specifically for foreign candidates. And down here you have also the key responsibilities you should have. If you don't have any of these, if you haven't had any practical or you haven't had any experience at all, you can do some courses online. I keep saying it, you can just go online, Google, check for any CPD courses, and probably in my next video I will talk more about that, and I will show you guys the courses that the websites where you can get the courses available and you can do them. And down here it says this work is also entitled to maternity pay, to sick pay, to holiday pay, lots of good benefits from this job. Honestly, I think I have another job as well, and that will be the last one for today. Alright, so this job is in the hospital, so it's in the clinical area, and there's no contract, so it's a bank job, and kind of a job where you don't have any contract with the employer, but then they're going to give some visa sponsorship. Let me go down and show you guys that. So this is where it says the tier 2 certificate of sponsorship is going to be considered as well as other applicants. So if you need tier 2 sponsorship, it's going to be considered for this job. So you have to go ahead and apply. So let's look at the benefits of this job and where the job is at. So the job is at Leicester. So you can see from here is at Leicester, and the pay is 9.89 per hour. So the previous jobs I've shown you guys is actually more. The pay is actually more than this one. So this one is 9.89 pounds per hour, but the other ones were 10 pounds and more per hour. So the suitable candidates for this job will have experience in healthcare settings. So this one is asking for experience. This one is asking for for you to know how to adhere to confidentiality. It's asking for you to have a clean driving license. So I think this is more suitable for people already in the UK that are looking for sponsorship jobs in the UK. Okay, and then here they've listed everything that is needed for this job, and tattoo sponsorship is available as well for it. So if you need a job that is going to give you tattoo sponsorship and you have a clean driving license, and you feel like this job is suitable for you, then go ahead and apply for it. So as you can see, the jobs are out there. It's just out there for people to grab, and people are grabbing these jobs on a daily basis. People are getting interviewed on a daily basis, but then you have to apply for it. You have to like be proactive. Don't just apply for a few jobs and give up. Even nurses that have a definite pathway and then a definite experience and high standard of everything before they can register still struggle to get registered, to get jobs, and then still apply for like 50, 100 jobs. I've seen nurses that apply for as much as 100 jobs, 150 jobs before they could get a proper one that got them the job offer they wanted. So keep on applying, don't sleep on it, keep on applying. I always advise people to apply to like 70, 100 jobs. At the end of the day, what matters is that you get what you want. So hopefully someone from here is gonna grab one of those jobs that I posted today, and I'll be so happy for one of you in here today watching this video today to grab that job. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like more of this content and more of these videos about job in the UK, please don't forget to subscribe and then turn on your notification bells on so you don't miss any single upload. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.